Day. Apparently if it rains today, it's going to rain for 40 days and 40 nights. But we've got the sun and we've got the rain. So that means we're going to have rain and sun for 40 days and 40 nights, which of course is just English weather. Anyway, let's have a look at this. You'll see here, we've got an amazingly contemporary property. It ain't no normal bungalow. Okay, so you've got an electric car charging point, and by the time we finish the house, we're going to say, of course it does, because it's got everything. Full of designer features. This has got a urban front door, which is a make, designer flooring, pocket door into the utility room, where you have a larger cupboard, even got a space for the dog beds, wine fridge. I love this house. There's several wine fridges around it. This is so my property. Washing machine built into the cupboards. But have a look at this. Okay, so that staircase takes you up to the guest bedroom. Stairs go down to the downstairs living room. But you've got to come and see this. This is a John Lewis of Hungerford kitchen. I'm going to throw all these lights on because they are absolutely fabulous. Bespoke wooden units, 2 dishwashers, because 1 dishwasher is never enough for a Sunday lunch. Inbuilt lighting. These are just our keys for the outside rooms. Terrace leading out to, oh yeah, the pool. Didn't mention the pool. It's got a pool. Come on out here. So it's a Harlequin swimming pool. It gets serviced every week. It's 9 metres by 4.5. There's got the pool workings there. It's heated by an air source heat pump. And then the pool room has got an underfloor heating, cloakroom, and a shower and room for a gym area. So they've got Peloton bikes in there and so on. Just while you see from here the rest of the gardens, which wrap all the way around the property, including having an outside kitchen, which has got a water boiler in there, sink, and everything you need for your outside barbecues. And back inside because it's really windy today. Okay, so down here we have the dining area, which has got underfloor heating. It's got a raised multi-fuel burner. Doors all round to the gardens with a vaulted ceiling with inset spotlights. Polished plaster walls, which are really gorgeous. Let's go to the bedroom areas, really. Bedroom. Bathroom. This bathroom's incredible. So this shower is brilliant. It's even got the towel rail really close to the shower bit, so you don't have to be reaching all the way over there to get your towels. Inbuilt storage as well. Vanity unit inset into your basin. Another bedroom, study. There's a laundry room, which has got space for all of your laundry things. But this, wait till you see this. It's got a games room, of course it does. Beautiful big room. So here you have your self-installation panels, So when the rugby is absolutely kicking off, you're either shouting, crying or cheering. The whole house isn't going to be hearing you necessarily. So sound isolation panels on 2 walls and a fabulous bar area, which includes a mini dishwasher and a sink. Just going to click the lights off as we go. There we are. Into the bedroom suite. Pause for effect, obviously. Okay, so here we have the dressing area. Coming down into the bathroom. Beautiful bathroom, polished concrete basin, inset into units. Again, a stunning shower with the towel rail right by it. It's so sensible. And a Victoria and Albert bath. And beautiful lighting. Most of the fabrics are from Christopher Farr, and throughout the property, all of the fabrics that you have got the backing of the similar sort of dark grey, so that there is the linings match everything when everything's closed from the outside. Into the bedroom. Beautiful room again with vaulted ceilings. Rainfall sensor on the Velux so that if you needed it to, if it rains and you're not here, it will shut automatically. Doors onto your terrace from where you can see the pool again. So it's almost like being on holiday. Most of the property's got underfloor heating. Some of it's got some radiators, and obviously just to be economical, the pool area has got the air source heat pump to keep that going as well. And that is pretty much your house. If you want a fun property in the village of Easton, this is your baby. Give me a call.